Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into the Halo Bolt Max Car Jumpstarter, an incredible tool that combines a car jumpstarter, a portable power bank, and an air compressor into one compact unit. Whether you're on the road, at home, or in an emergency, the Halo Bolt Max ensures you're never without power when you need it most. Let's start with the basics. The Halo Bolt Max is designed to jumpstart vehicles with up to a 6L gas or 3L diesel engine. That's right, it's capable of reviving your car, truck, or SUV, making it a must-have in every vehicle's emergency kit. What sets the Halo Bolt Max apart is its portable, lightweight design, which means it's not just for jumpstarting your car. This powerhouse comes equipped with a built-in 58,830 mWh battery that can charge your devices such as smartphones, tablets, and even laptops. When you need to inflate a flat tire, you can count on the Halo Bolt Max's integrated air compressor. It features adjustable pressure settings and comes with 4 interchangeable nozzles, making it suitable for inflating tires, sports balls, air mattresses, and more. This versatility means you'll always be prepared, no matter the situation. One of the best features of the Halo Bolt Max is its LED floodlight, which can be a lifesaver when you're stuck in the dark. Whether you're changing a tire on the side of the road or searching for something in your car, the built-in light ensures you can always see what you're doing. Let's not forget its charging capabilities. It has 2 USB ports for charging your electronics and even a wall and card charging adapter to keep it powered up and ready to go. No need to worry about your phone running out of battery during a road trip, because with the Halo Bolt Max, you're always prepared. In addition to its impressive functionality, the Halo Bolt Max is built with safety in mind. With its multiple layers of protection against overcurrent, short circuits, and reverse polarity, this jumpstarter ensures you can use it with peace of mind. So, whether you're looking for a reliable car jumpstarter, a portable power bank, or an air compressor, the Halo Bolt Max has got you covered. It's the perfect all-in-one tool to keep in your car, ensuring you're ready for anything life throws your way. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.